Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth option grayed out on your iPhone. If the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth option are grayed out on your iPhones, it could be due to a software or hardware issue. But don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth option gray out on your iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings and scroll down and you can see option general. Tap on it. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is simply update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is in the latest version of iOS. You have to go to the software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After this, then you have to do is simply toggle your aeroplane mode on and off. Open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen and you can see the option aeroplane mode. Simply tap on it and wait for a few seconds and then disable it back. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for restrictions. You have to go to the settings, then go to screen time, tap on content and privacy restriction. After this, make sure that toggles for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open the general, then scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth option grayed out on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.